A very warm welcome, young learners. In today's module, Class 10th English, we will do Chapter 9, Bholi of Footprints Without Feet. It is written by K.A. Abbas. Khwaja Ahmad Abbas was born on 7th June 1914 and passed away on 1st June 1987. He was also known as K.A. Abbas. He was an Indian film director, screenwriter, novelist, and a journalist in the Urdu, Hindi, and English languages. He won 4 National Film Awards in India, and internationally his films won the grand prize at the Cannes Film Festival. Apart from this, he won many other prizes. He was a great person in the film industry. In the story, Bholi, he takes main characters as Bholi, a young girl whose real name was Sulekha, Ramlal, Bholi's father. He was Nambardar in the village, father to 7 children, and he was very wealthy person. But he was of this mindset that girls are born to get married and sons to be educated. Bholi's mother was a conservative lady who never took care of Bholi properly. Bholi's school teacher, she was a real encouragement in her life. She changed her life and she brought all the light in her dark life time. Bishambar was her would-be husband who was a widower and very greedy man. Sulekha or Bholi, let's see about the main character of the story. Bholi, the fourth daughter of Nambardar Ramlal in a village, she was a simple and pock-marked girl. Her real name was Sulekha. At 10 months, she fell off her cot. So when she was born, that time she was a healthy baby and very pretty. But when she was 10 months old, she fell off her cot and this damaged her brain and made her a simpleton. That's why she was called Bholi. When she turned 2, she was a victim of smallpox, which left her pockmarked. So she was not that pretty as her sisters were. She learned to talk at 5 years and she used to stammer while talking. That's why she was an object of ridicule among her friends or among her mates outside house. At house, 7 children were there. To Ramlal, 3 were sons, and the sons had been sent to the city school to study and later in colleges. Of the daughters, Radha the eldest had already been married. The second daughter Mangla's marriage had also been settled, and when this was done, that marriage was settled, Ramlal would think of the third Champa. They all were pretty, healthy girls, and it was not difficult to find bridegrooms for them. But it was very difficult to find a bridegroom for Bholi from parents' point of view because she was not that pretty. She was very weak. That's why, and she was a simpleton girl. Their opening of a primary school, a great change in the town as well as in Bholi's life. When a primary school was opened in the village, the Tehsildar told Ramlal that he is the representative over there. That's why he has to send his daughters to school. He shared this with his wife, though Ramlal's wife felt that sending daughters to school affected their chances of marriage. She was of this mindset because she was a conservative lady. Bholi's parents decided to send Bholi to school. Why? Because his wife said that Bholi can be sent because she is not pretty and there is no in near future she is not going to get married easily. So she can be sent, and her father Ramlal was under pressure because Tehsil told him he was Nambardar. So he was under pressure. That's why he had to take the decision that Bholi should be sent to school. The next day, he took Bholi to the school. Though Bholi did not want to go to school, she did not understand where was she taken, that where were they planning to take her, and she thought that somewhere they were taking her to sell out as they took the cow Lakshmi. But when she was given clothes, though they were Champa's old clothes, but she was made ready by her mother for the school. That's why she understood somewhere better place she is going. Boli was initially afraid of going to school, but the encouragement of her teacher made it easy for her. She continued her studies. This was the teacher the very first day who felt all the courage, confidence in Boli. She told that if she would be able to read and write, if she would be educated, then this could bring change in her life. She told the very first day, and there she saw a light in her life. That was just a light, a ray of hope, where the dark clouds of such kind of pathetic situation would get over. After a few years, the village became a small town, and the little primary school became a high school. So, in the same way, Bholi also, she was promoted from a primary school to a high school. She kept on taking education. A cinema under a tin shed. In such way, these are small developments took place that made a village to a small town. Ramlal received an offer of marriage for his daughter Bholi from a widower who was lame but rich. He already had children from his first wife, but he did not demand for dowry. That's why Ramlal was ready for this proposal. Mother was also happy for this proposal because Bishambar was a rich man. And when the marriage was taking place, so what had taken place? That Bholi, she was in her veil. When the veil was that when her face was uncovered, that time Bishambar saw her face that was pockmarked face, and on this he demanded for 5,000 rupees as dowry. Ramlal showed his helplessness to arrange such a big amount. He told him he put his turban in his feet. Then also Bishambar, though he was a well-to-do grocer, but he was a greedy man. That's why he was not ready to get marry Bholi without taking money. Seeing the father's pathetic situation, Bholi took a decision. And what made her taking decision? That education that she got in school, this made her confident to take such decision. It's not only confidence; it is the knowledge that she received from books, from textbooks, from surroundings, to make a person know about the rights, to make a person to know about people around, and to take a firm and quick decision in such kind of situation. She refused to marry the greedy widower. She later on said that she will take care of her parents and teach in the same school where she got her education. The teacher was very happy on this kind of on this decision. The teacher who had been watching the drama was happy and contented. Her all hard work brought fruits of success as Bholi, whose real name was Sulekha, took a major decision in her life and showed greedy man his path. So here is a summary of the chapter, students. The story says that it's an importance of education. This is quite important in the chapter also. So you are supposed to prepare yourself to express your views in the live class. The importance of education. This is summary. Thank you. Have a great day.